Hey guys, I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be officially buying some new squishies. So I have my phone on me and I'm going to be going to the squishy seller. It's called Candy Corn Slimes. But she sells squishies. So that kind of rips me off. But I've heard very okay reviews on her. And she's pretty inexpensive by the looks of it. So we're going to buy some squishies. I'm so excited. I've been saving up for so long. Hi, I am interested. She answered back. Wow, that was quick. What squishies would you like? I would like a fish squishy, a burger squishy, a pizza squishy, a donut squishy, a panda squishy, a cupcake squishy, and a watermelon squishy. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, it is. Okay, it's $50. It's a bit over my budget. I've only saved like 20, but okay. $50. 2-day shipping? Nah. Whenever you can. Okay. So, guess who's coming?
You are terrified of life without the thrill of the macabre.
It looks like I got some squishy things. Okay, so I don't actually have a true bag to sell it, but I do have this Christmas bag. It was used, though, but we'll just rip it off like nothing happened. Okay. It's quite big, and she didn't order particularly a lot, but it is completely fine. Okay. So the first squishy she really wanted was a fish squishy. Okay, I don't have a fish squishy, but I'll go get something. Okay, so I couldn't find any fish squishies. So I just found this one. It is a bit torn, wrapped in crayon, and it's horned, but it's like a sea creature of the sea. So that goes in there. Next, she wanted a burger. I got this one. This is an old cat burger of mine. It's very slow rising. It's very good squishy, but I ripped off the ears. I don't know if she'll like that, but there's some rips and cracks and tears and whatnot, but it's fine. I mean, it's a burger just with a cat face. Next, she wanted a pizza. Okay, I only have this as a pizza. I used the wrong type of paint on there, but I have to kind of give her what she needs. So next she wanted a donut. So I made this donut, but I really like this donut, so I'm not going to give it away. So I'm going to give her this one. It is a bit torn. I'm torn. But hey, it's a donut. Next she wanted, I wrote down these all because I'm not good at reading them. Next she wanted a panda. I have a panda, but its ears ripped off. But it's panda still, so why not? Next she wanted a cupcake. I'll give you this. This is pretty cool. Like, no paint is chipped at all. Not at all. The colors are pretty good also. And last thing she wanted was a watermelon. So I have to pick between these. This one is, I like this one because it's not poorly shaped or anything. And it can be a watermelon or strawberry. So I'm going to give her this one. I'll just give her something for like 2 things for like a surprise. These 2. This really slow rising carrot squishy. Okay. Now I'm gonna go put my phone on.
Reardon was working with Blackwood. Of course he was. Questions? To what end? Lyrics working on it. He clearly succeeds. How so? Otherwise, he'd still be alive. Which is why this antler is so desperate to find. Yeah.
Okay. Today should be the day that I'm gonna get my squishies. I'm so excited. There they are.
Let me guess. What? Judging by your arsonist toolkit, you'll get a further building and extinguish all evidence there. Just follow your course. Twitter!
Okay, so I got this thing. I think this is squishies. I have a list of what I ordered, but I don't. Okay, this is the first thing off the bat I noticed is that this does look a bit crinkled, but that could have been from mail. It's a Christmas bag, and it's not even Halloween, and it looks like it's been used. We don't really know what's gonna happen, but okay. So it looks like we have some squishies in here. It's not, it's poorly put in. Most of the squishies. I wonder if I lost anything in there. So the first squishy I have is a fish. I don't see a fish. Oh. This is supposed to be the fish. It's, first of all, it's not even a fish. It's a seahorse. And the neck is severely ripped. This was not from me. And it looked like there was like a horn or something on there. I mean, like, I thought she seemed like she got okay remarks. She could have, like, they're so ripped and teared and ripped. I mean, look at that. And it's a good squishy. It's just a bit. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay. This is kind of annoying me right now, but okay. So the next one I have is a burger. I found the burger. It was originally a cat burger. She ripped off the ears, and there is some cracks in there, and it looks like there's a marker right there. There's some cracks and tears, which are kind of severe. Like, there's one like right there, but it's a slow rising squishy, so I'm not complaining. But like, I kind of wish she said like, never mind. I'll just give her the review after. Okay, so next I have a pizza. I'm excited for this one. This must be the pizza. Oh my god. Oh my god. She used like a weird kid paint. Ew, it just feels crusty. Ew. That kind of looks like pizza though, but ew. On the website it looked so much better. But okay. Next we have a donut. I hope that, because I love donuts. Oh no, this is the donut. Okay, these things were not from shipping. These things weren't from shipping. This is from the squishy seller. It's ripped in half. Okay, we have 3 more. Maybe she can step up her game. Like, she's right down here. She needs to be up here, because this is what they're supposed to be for a squishy seller. Okay, so next we have a panda. This looks like a panda. It's severely weird. The paint is chipping off already. The tails come off and both of the ears are broken. Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is bad. There's yellow marker over there too. Okay. That's okay. Next we have the cupcake. Okay, this is not that bad. I just noticed that like this was obviously homemade. Like I like the colors, but look at that. Like I want a new squishy. I want a new squishy that's a good quality squishy. I don't want anything cheap. And this all costs $50. This should all cost $10. They don't even do this expensive shipping. Next and last one we have some extras as well. We have this watermelon. This was also homemade. The foam's good. Look at that shaping. Like, oh my god. And she used marker to color. She used marker to color these as well. This is... Okay, so the next ones, these look like they're little, this bag is so cheap. They look like they go together, like there was some sort of like bread squish. She cut them up and she made these. This looks like a carrot or something, and it has a name on there, but it's not surprising at all. Look at that. She like sick. That's bad. Next one we have is this unicorn horn. I like the colors more, but it's the same consistency. Like, look. Okay, this squishy stuff. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed my little skit. By the way, this is all a skit, as you can probably tell. And these are some of the most, damaged squishies we've had for a while. I couldn't believe this one was that ripped. So, by the way, I did use all these squishies, and if you haven't noticed, these were all my squishies, so it wasn't anybody's. So, no commenting bad comments like this is blah, 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 blah. But, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what your favorite squishy was in this video. Kind of hard because they're all... Well, this one's good. These two are the great squishies. I just made, a big deal about, the ears. They're earless squad. Like Mariah Elizabeth, earless squad. They both don't have ears. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, share your friends and family. See you guys next time. Bye!